Okay, love, so to get started for this look, I am just applying my matte liquid lipstick to my eyelid, and I'm actually using this as my eyeshadow base. I saw this idea from this girl that I follow on Instagram, and it literally is such a great idea. Ultimately, it really helps to create a really strong pigment just to kind of start out for the eyeshadow. And so here I am just blending out that pigment using a flat blending brush. And then now I'm going to go in with that red pigment, and you can honestly use any red eyeshadow that you have on hand. This was the only one that I had from my Huda Beauty palette. And then now I'm going in with my Morphe brush and then taking that red color and applying it as my transition color. So this does take a while to build up that color, but eventually it does happen. Just be patient. I'm going to take that red orange shade and apply that as my transition. I'm also taking this light beige color and using that as my underbrow transition color. Okay, so for my glitter, I'm going in with my Morphe flat brush as well as my glitter from Glow Up Academy, and I'm just applying my NYX glitter glue to my eyelid. So I feel like because we have hooded eyes, you always want to kind of like round it out whenever you're applying that glitter. So just keeping in mind of the eye shape and that curved contour of our hooded eye. So one brush for the glitter and then one brush for the glitter glue, just to keep things as neat as possible. And I really like this glitter so far, you guys. I think it is amazing. So I also went on top of that glitter with some NYX glitter as well. I used like an iridescent sort of pigment. Of course, like I said, that will be linked down below because I just wanted to add some dimension to the glitter. And then here I am applying a little bit of liquid eyeliner. And then for my lashes, I am using my Bahama lashes, and these are in the style Jamaica. I'm holding on to them because they're gonna fall. But you want something that has like a nice sort of fanned look, just so that the glitter can still be seen, but we do want a little bit of drama for this look just because, you know, it is the holidays. For my foundation, I am using the Fenty Hydrating foundation, and this is in the shade 390. For my concealer, I am using a combination between my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mahogany, as well as my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Warm Honey. For my contour cream, I am using my NYX Contour in the shade Mocha. While my translucent powder is baking, I'm going into my Morphe HIFI palette and I'm taking the shade Debutante and just using that to carve out my contour some more, as well as set my contour. To finish my eye look, I'm going in with this dark green. It's almost like a hunter green color. So as you guys can see, applying that to the lower lash line as well as my waterline. And because that color is so dark, I did go in with a metallic sort of olive green color just right on top, just to liven up that color a little bit, just so that from far away it won't read as black. So now I'm just applying some mascara, and this is just drugstore mascara, but again, I will have the products linked down below. To set my face, I'm using my Urban Decay setting spray, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you definitely know that I've been using my Morphe setting spray, so yeah, it's been a minute. And then now I'm going in with this bright gold shade and my tear duct, and then right on top of that, I am also going to take almost like a white gold kind of metallic pigment. I don't know how to really describe it, but it's more of like a cool tone, so I guess almost like a white silver, and just apply that directly on top. And then I'm taking that same brush and applying the combination of those two colors to my brow as well for the highlight. And for the lips, I am going in with my NYX lip pencil in the shade Brown, as well as my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Embrace, as well as blending that out with a lip brush. And then for the highlight, I'm going into that Morphe HIFI palette again, this time in the shade Venus. So that's a really soft, sort of like warm metallic highlight. So I thought it would complement the colors that we have for this eye look. And yeah, that's it.
Are we in the Christmas spirit or what? There is something so cool and so special about the combination of the green and the red that I really like. And I definitely probably will do this look again. It might not have anything to do with Christmas. I just think it's a bomb look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.